Fall is a fantastic time to plant perennials in warm winter climates. I'm Christy Wilhelmi from Gardenerd, and today I'm going to share 7 perennial herbs that you can plant once and grow forever. When it comes to herbs, there are annual herbs and perennial herbs. The annual herbs, like dill and cilantro and parsley, where I live, grow for a season and then bolt to seed and die. But perennial herbs will keep giving year after year after year. They do require a little bit of pruning a couple times a season, and they may die back in winter, but they'll revive in spring. So they're good to have because they have strong roots, they won't need as much water as your annual herbs, and they just keep growing forever, which is great. Let's start with oregano. Number 1. Oregano is a beautiful savory herb. It's got a broad leaf and it does grow from the base of the plant. So you'll see new leaves appear around the soil level, and the older stems will grow long and leggy and they may flower. But you can cut those back and it'll revive itself from there. Number 2, right next to it, is thyme. Now thyme is wonderful because you can get variegated, lemon, French, English. There's a whole lot of different varieties available. It grows from where you cut it. So if you give it a haircut, it cut off about 50% of the plant. That will keep it compact and bushy, and it won't get woody on the inside. Number 3 over here is mint. Mint now is a runner, and it needs to be kept in a container. Otherwise, your entire garden will be mint. There are dozens of varieties available. You can get mojito mint and chocolate mint and Moroccan mint and a whole bunch of others. Check that out and keep it in a container. I have another video on how to prune and revive your mint pot, so check that out right over there. Perennial herb number 4, chives. You can get these round onion chives or a flat leaf garlic chive variety, and the beauty of chives is that they expand over time. So you can start with a small clump, it will grow, and then you can divide it into smaller clumps and either plant them somewhere else in your garden or give them away to friends. And yes, the flowers in these are edible, so you can toss those into your cooking just like chives themselves. Number 5, lemon balm. Lemon balm is in the mint family, and so like mint, needs to be contained. We like to grow them back here in our woolly pockets so they can spread between pockets. They produce a leaf that looks a lot like mint, but can be used in, we make sorbet with it, and you can make tea with it. It's really bright and sunny, and it's wonderful to include in your herb collection. Number 6, sticking with the lemon theme, lemon verbena. Lemon verbena can grow really tall. I've seen some as big as trees. So if you keep it pruned or keep it in a container, it will stay manageable. It gets tall and broad, but it doesn't take up too much room if you keep pruning it every season. Remember, the leaves do die back, but it will spring up new growth each season. And we love to use the leaves in tea, and we make ice cream with it. And our final herb, number 7, is rosemary. Now, most people like to plant rosemary in with their other herbs, but rosemary gets huge if you let it. It gets 5 by 5, could be 8 feet tall. So plant it in your landscaping and leave it, and forget about it. Also, we actually prefer the trailing, the prostrate variety over the upright variety because the oils are less bitter when used in cooking. So I make sourdough bread with my trailing rosemary all the time, and that's the only one I use in cooking. So those are 7 perennial herbs that you can use, plant once and grow them forever. For more information about growing your own herbs, check out my book, High Yield Small Space Organic Gardening. You'll find other information about growing herbs in general at gardenerd.com, and of course check out my online courses, my other books, and consider becoming a Patreon subscriber to support all the free stuff we do here at Gardenerd. Patreon subscribers get access to behind-the-scenes goodies like hangouts with me once a month and behind-the-scenes videos here at Gardenerd headquarters. Happy gardening.